We're checking out our view over Savannah. We have a mix of clouds and sunshine. The sunshine today has really helped conditions to warm up. We actually temperatures in the mid and upper 90s for a few locations, but cooling off where we actually have a few showers and storms developing. Saw some of those clouds off in the distance in that view over downtown Savannah, and that is where we are seeing some of those showers and storms outside of our area. Heat index values have been over 105 degrees for us at times, so we actually have a heat advisory in place until the early evening hours, so definitely take precautions to stay cool and hydrated, and also keep an eye to the sky because over the next few hours we will be tracking a few isolated showers and storms, mainly in the low country right now and down into Appling County. That's where we do have some heavier rain sample, a little bit of lightning associated with what's over Jasper County right now, south of Hardeeville, just across the river from downtown Savannah. Some of that's drifting into Beaufort County, some of that heavier rain more into the Jasper County side of things there, just to the east of I-95, further to the south in McIntosh County and the southern end of the county near Darien. That's where we do have a heavier cell sample with more across Glenn County that will be moving in your direction. Bullitt County had a few brief downpours, but as they moved northward into Screven County, into Effingham County, they actually died off pretty quickly down in the southwestern part of the area. That's where we do have a few of those showers and storms right now. A few more are possible over the next few hours. Temperatures will stay very mild in the 80s early on this evening. Overnight lows will just bottom out in the mid 70s for most of us, but more hot days are on the way. We have high pressure off of the coast that's helping to drive in that flow from the Gulf, and with a weak trough of low pressure over the region, that is adding just enough lift to the atmosphere that we will have a few isolated showers and storms developing, but the main story will be the hot and humid conditions over the next few days. Heat index values will be over 105 degrees for Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend as well. Vipercast for this evening indicates that we will still have that risk for a few showers and storms at least early on, maybe more so for our interior counties as we head into the later evening, but toward the coast, conditions will be staying on the drier side with a dry start for our Thursday, and then we'll go through a similar type of pattern where we will begin to see those showers and storms set up for us after lunchtime, continuing into the early evening hours as well, but the heat will be the main story. I do want to mention in the tropics, we are watching Tropical Storm Aaron starting to look a little bit more impressive on satellite imagery. We're getting some convection around the center. It's kind of breaking away from where we had some Saharan air eating away at that circulation, but not any stronger so far for today. We'll have to see how that maintains going into the next advisory at 5 o'clock. 45-mile-per-hour sustained wind. Still expecting this to stay north of the Caribbean islands, possibly become a major hurricane as we head into the weekend. At this point, still looking like it would be staying well off of the east coast of the United States. For tonight, 77 for the low temperature, a few isolated showers and storms early on, a few more storms for our Thursday, 94 for the high temperature, and then as we look ahead to the next few days, temperatures will be staying pretty hot for us, topping out in the lower and middle 90s for us during those afternoon hours. If we get to the 7-day, there it is. So a slight increase in those rain chances for Saturday, but Sunday and beyond, those chances taper off again. Basically, those rain chances going away altogether for next Tuesday and Wednesday, with conditions staying hot and humid. Let's look at your weather forecast for now. We'll have another update on the tropics coming up in just a few moments.